the simplification of this trig expression involves sodic expression. Fine, but it's very simple. What? Now we are asked to simplify square root of 1 minus cos x over 1 plus cos x. Now, to do this, this can be written as square root of 1 minus cos x, of course you know that, divided by square root of 1 plus cos x. Both of them are the same thing. The up one and the bottom one. So the numerator and the denominator are enclosed in this same root. Of course, we can split them and still yet assign the roots to them. Very simple. What? Okay. To simplify this sodic expression, all we have to do is very simple. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Of course, whenever you are talking of conjugate simply means changing the sign. So we are going to multiply the numerator of this expression by the conjugate of the denominator and the same with the denominator. So that means we multiply the numerator by 1 minus cos x over square root of 1 minus cos x. Okay, that is the conjugate of the denominator. If we keep on solving, what are we going to have? This fraction multiplying this fraction will definitely give us, since all of them are having a root, we can enclose all of them in same root as 1 minus cos x multiplying 1 minus cos x over, for the denominator, 1 plus cos x multiplying 1 minus cos x. Of course, is now easier this that time. Okay, now for the numerator, 1 minus cos x multiplying 1 minus cos x, if you see, the both expressions inside the brackets are the same. So which means we can simply have 1 minus cos x multiplying 1 minus cos x can easily be written as, in bracket, 1 minus cos x all squared, since they are the same, then divided by 1 plus cos x multiplying 1 minus cos x. Of course, this is a difference of two squares. So here is plus, here is minus. So since it's difference of two squares, we can easily write it as 1 squared, or just say 1 minus cos squared x. Of course, if you do this expansion properly, you're going to have, or you're going to get 1 minus cos square x. Okay, if we keep solving further, we're going to have it that square root of 1 minus cos x all squared divided by, recall that sine squared x, sine squared x is the same as 1 minus cos squared x. Now, if we recall this, which means we can easily substitute sine square x as 1 minus cos square x. Okay, if that is the case, instead of writing 1 minus cos square x, I can easily write sine square x. So we have here sine squared x. So the numerator and the denominator are both perfect squares, so we can get their square root easily. So square root of 1 minus cos x raised to power 2, of course this will cancel out the root, and square root of sine square x is just sine x. So in that case, we're having 1 minus cos x divided by square root of sine squared x is just sine x. Okay, if we simplify further, we'll have it that 1 minus cos x divided by sine x is simply 1 over sine x minus cos x over sine x. Okay, 1 over sine x means inverse of sine x. And according to the rule of trigonometry, when it comes to identities, 1 over sine x, which is inverse of sine x, is cosec x minus cos x over sine x. According to trig identities, cos over sine is simply cot x. So this is the result of simplifying this sodic expression involving trigonometry. Hope you love this. Bye bye.